Hey guys, it's your girl Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I took these used old spring twists and created this beautiful braidless crochet hairstyle. Now, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my hair up into a high ponytail, but as you guys can see, my hair is not all the way stretched, nor is it all the way detangled the way I like my hair to be when I'm styling my hair. So I have to take my time and go section by section, making sure my hair is detangled because I do not want to cause any breakage to my hair. So I'm just applying some water, and as you can tell, the water is looking a bit cloudy because I've added some leave-in conditioner to the water, and this will help my hair to get really soft and moisturized. So I'm just going to be working each section, moisturizing it and getting it detangled and putting it up into a high ponytail. When I get to the front, as you can see, I'll be adding a little bit of gel because I want my hair to look as sleek as possible. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I'm using a different hair tie to put the front of my hair up into the high ponytail because I do not like to pull the front of my hair as tight as the rest of my hair. And as you guys can see, my hairline is naturally thin, so I try to protect that as much as possible and not pull the front of my hair very tight to cause any loss of hair in that area. So that is why I'm using a different hair tie to add the front of my hair into my high ponytail. And you guys will see me do this in a lot of my videos, and this is the reason why. Okay guys, so right now I'm just trying to style my edges a bit, and I'm no expert at styling edges. I'm not really good at it, but I just thought it's very satisfying to watch. So you guys can just watch me struggle trying to style the little bit of hair that I have in the front of my head. Okay guys, so this hair that I am using is the same spring twist hair that I used in a previous hairstyle, my bob spring twist hairstyle. I will leave it in the cards and also in my description if you guys are interested in checking it out. And I will honestly advise you guys to use hair that you don't really care about for this hairstyle, because when you are finished styling it and puffing it the way you like it, it will be very hard to detangle this hair to reuse it again. So although I have new spring twists, I'm just using the ones that I already used, and like I said, don't really care about. So what you guys are seeing, I'm just taking that hair and I'm crocheting it onto my hair ends or the bun of my hair. So I'm just crocheting the hair into any random spot, and I have a lot of videos with me explaining exactly how you can crochet, so you guys can probably check those videos out. I will make sure link them if you guys would like to have a look. But I'm just using my latch hook and I'm pushing it into the bun of my hair. I'm then going to take the spring twist and hook it onto the latch hook and pull it through, and then I'm going to pull the rest of the hair through the loop or the hoop of the spring twist. It is basically self-explanatory. If you guys watch or slow down this video, then you will understand exactly how to crochet. It is very easy to underestimate the amount of hair you already have in your head when the hair is twisted versus when it is unraveled. So when I get to a certain point, I'm going to stop because I do not want my puff to look too big. I want it to look as natural as possible. I want it to look like my hair. So I'm going to just stop and I'm going to unravel the hair. Like I told you guys before, this hair is reused hair. I actually had a bob hairstyle using this hair, so the hair that was in the back of my head is a lot shorter than the ones that were in the front. So I'm just going to cut the hair to the length that I want it to be, and I'm going to take my time and unravel the hair. I'm not going to unravel the hair too much because I want the curls to still look defined. The more you unravel the hair, the less defined the curls will look, so you guys can just keep on unraveling to get the look that you want. So when you guys are finished unraveling the hair, you can judge to see if your bun is as big as you want it to be. If it is not, you can always go back and crochet more hair in and unravel them until you get the thickness that you want. But like I said, I want my hair to look as natural as possible, so I don't want it to look super big. I want it to look, you know, like a good size. When I get my bun to the size that I want it to be, I'm just going to tame it a bit, and you guys can just watch to see what I mean by taming the hair. The ones that are very like frizzy, I'm just gonna wrap them around the bun to make it look a bit neat. I'm one of those persons who used to always throw away my hair extensions, but now, especially in times like this, I try my best to come up with creative ways of reusing them. And this is just one of the way that I reuse my spring twist. I hope you guys like it. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys just throw away your extensions after one wear, or if you do like what I'm doing now and come up with creative ways of reusing them. Make sure you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share this video if you think it will be helpful to someone else. I really appreciate you guys joining me and watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.